So a lot of you may know that I'm a huge fan of dividend stocks because I love the income that they make. Today I'm going to be talking about Cemex Corporation. So full disclosure, I do own it, and that's the point of this video. So just keep that in mind as you're watching, that I'm a bit biased because I own it. Yes, by the way, that is a garden hose behind me because it's all about making it happen. Based out of Mexico, Cemex is a multinational company, and they operate in about 50 countries selling their products like cement, ready-mix concrete, and aggregates. Cemex stock has been beaten down in the last year by about 25%, bringing it further into the value stock territory. The PE ratio has been floating between about 10 and 11. So let's talk about cement. Cement to me is kind of an exciting product. I did a deep dive on it maybe a few months ago, where I spent 2 days watching documentaries and learning all about cement. And I decided that it's part of my long-term view, focusing in housing and beneath housing, construction materials, and then specifically this one. I like some other housing materials for the future. Like bamboo is very interesting to me, and I've talked about that before. But cement is a very evergreen material, and maybe that sounds like a poor choice of words because, of course, there's nothing green about it. But what I mean by evergreen is that cement has been used in modern construction for decades, especially for certain types of construction. Cement can be brought to the construction site very quickly, made up in batches, and then used that day, and buildings can be put up in fast fashion. I don't think that there's going to be a decline in the use of cement anytime soon, and that's the main part of my thesis herein. I like how much Cemex gets their revenues from outside of the United States. You can see in their last annual report that over 70% of their income came from emerging markets and places like Mexico and major countries in Southeast Asia. These countries have a little bit of a lag with technology behind the United States. What that means is that whatever innovative building processes that are going to come out in the next few decades, inherently so, these countries are probably still going to be using cement for a long time, and we can depend on those revenues.